named Voila and Sebastian, they get separated due to shipwreck. After that, Captain saves Voila and fetch her to the coast. Voila now works for Duke called Orsino, being Cesario. Duke called Orsino falls in love with Olivia and sends Cesario taking marriage proposal to Olivia. But Olivia falls in love with Cesario, who is actually Voila.
But then Sebastian enters, and here the confusion starts in the play. After a lots of confusion and lots of fighting, the play comes at the end when Duke knows the truth of Cesario, and at just he was going to kill Cesario. Just then Sebastian enters at the moment and he saves Cesario, and there the confusion ends. So now let's start with the introduction of the characters.
Neeraj as Duke,
Abhishek Mishra as his attendant.
Subhashita as Voila,
And Sebastian as Sebastian role played by Harshit.
Saurabh as Captain,
Anubhav Bhaiya playing the role of Antonio.
Animesh as Sir Toby,
Abhishek, Sharam Raj, Aditya and Sachin playing the role of officers.
Nikita as Olivia,
And Swapnil Bhaiya as Malvolio.
Now scene 1 starts. There is shipwreck on the coast of Ilaria. There are Sebastian and Voila who resemble each other. They get separated due to shipwreck. Captain with few sailors saves Voila and fetch her to the coast. Now there is scene 1 between Voila and Captain.
Oh madam, what are you seeing here and there?
What a lonely place is this? Can you please tell me which country is this?
This is Ilaria.
Oh, but what will I do over here? My brother is no more.
Oh madam, I think he is safe because he holding the mast very tightly.
Oh really? May God save him and make us united again. By the way, can you please tell me who governs here?
A duke called Orsino.
Oh, I had heard about him, but he was unmarried then.
Yes, now too. He is seeking for the love of Olivia,
Olivia? Who is she?
daughter of a count who died with his son. After this, Olivia decided not to see and show her face to anyone for 7 years.
Oh, then I will serve the Duke. Can you please help me to conceal my identity and disguise me?
Okay, as you wish.
Thank you.
And now you are going to see the scene of Duke's palace. Here, Duke is in very sad mood because Olivia has denied his request for love. And now Duke is very much disappointed because he has loved Olivia for 7 years. And after 7 years also, Olivia is not going to agree to marry him. And now here Duke is talking with his attendant.
I love that lady very much, but I don't know why she denies me.
Sir, you can send a messenger to her.
But who should I send?
And just then, Voila comes to the Duke's palace. She enters in the Duke palace and becomes his favorite attendant. At that time, they become so close that one day Duke sent Voila to Olivia's house. And this is the scene of Olivia's house.
Where is the lady of this house? I want to meet her.
Call him inside.
Where is the honorable lady?
I'm here.
Speak to me. Sure, you are the lady of this house.
Yes, I'm the lady of house. Now proceeding your speech.
I have a message from my master.
What message you have?
Madam, my master loves you a lot. He can't live without you.
What am I to do with? Read it to your master soon.
As you order, madam.
Voila goes to Duke Palace to tell him that Olivia doesn't want to listen his name. But Olivia falls in love with Cesario, who is actually Voila. Now on the way, Malvolio meets Voila.
What happened? My ring? Which ring? I haven't given any ring to you, madam. No, I haven't thrown. Okay. in love with me. Now God will save this lady because she loves her lady.
Voila goes to Duke to tell him what is happening with her.
Where is our honorable Duke? I want to meet her. Meet him.
Sir, you can.
बोलिए.
Sir, there is a boy calling himself.
Call him inside.
Sir is calling.
Have you seen Olivia?
Yes, I have seen. She is of fair complexion, but she is not worth you then.
Then go again and try to convince her.
As you order, sir.
Voila goes again to Olivia's house, taking once again marriage proposal by Duke. And let's see what's the reaction of Olivia.
Sorry, but I again want to meet you, madam.
Call him inside. Who are you?
Cesario, your servant, madam.
My servant?
Yes. I came to speak of him.
Go and never speak of him again. I don't want to listen his name. However, what do you think of me?
I think my master loves you a lot. Please accept his love.
That is impossible.
Okay, then now I am going, but I will come back soon.
Here, the twist comes in the story. As Voila was returning to the Duke's palace, she was being challenged by Sir Toby. Actually, Sir Toby loves Olivia very much, but
Hello,
he
sir.
was the friend of Olivia's uncle.
You are the guy Olivia wishes to marry.
What you are saying? I don't know anything about that.
Come, let's fight with me, and winner will marry Olivia.
Just then Antonio enters,
This
who
is
is friend
against
of
my will,
Sebastian.
sir.
Wait, sir. He is my friend. If you attack on him, I will fight on behalf of him.
Okay, I'm ready for that.
बोलिए फिर से. Please stop. I don't want fight.
Once,
Wait, don't you stop now. Please.
once Antonio had attacked Duke, so now it's time the
Please
officers are
stop
coming
now.
to arrest
The
him.
officers are coming there.
He's the man. You guys hurt you. Arrest him immediately, and we will see him in the prison.
I'm on.
But wait, sir. Let me talk to this guy.
What?
Sebastian, return me my purse, which I had given you for purchasing.
Which purse? You haven't given any purse to me.
Oh, now you are denying?
I am not denying. Why you are blaming me?
Come, sir. I pray you, don't delay.
Look you all guys, I have saved this man from the jaw of death.
What can you do with that? Come fast.
Nothing, my luck is bad only.
This is the tragedy for Antonio that he thought Cesario is Sebastian, and he is very panicked because he thought that his friend has cheated him.
They were taking him of Sebastian, my brother, and Cypric also. It means my brother is still alive.
Sir Toby was finding another way to kill Cesario, and at the same moment, Sebastian enters, finding his friend Antonio.
Where is my friend? I am searching it from so many days, but I am not getting it.
You again came here. I will kill you.
Why? What I have done? Everyone is mad here.
Olivia, listening the noise, comes out and see.
Oh, for God's sake, stop now! Don't attack Cesario! You leave right now! Come with me to my house, don't deny. I love you a lot, you are the love of my life.
Okay, madam, as you say.
Olivia expresses her love to Sebastian, considering him Cesario. Sebastian is surprised, but at the same time, he is happy too. He thinks what is happening, but then he agrees to marry Olivia, and now they are happily married.
Go
Now-
and call the priest.
Now here enters the priest.
Take the mic anyway.
Now I pronounce you as man and wife.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
After marriage, Sebastian went to look for his friend.
I have to go in search of my friend.
Okay. Now, this is the scene of Duke's palace. Here, Duke is going with Cesario and his attendant to Olivia's house. As he was reaching the Olivia's house, let's see.
Where is the lady of the house?
She is inside, sir.
And just then
See,
Antonio
sir,
comes with
he
the
is the
officer.
man who saved my life.
Can you come here?
Yes, sir.
How? Sir,
Olivia, fed up of waiting, goes outside in the search of Sebastian.
yes, my lord, my dear husband. Oh, here you are, my lord. What you say?
What you are saying, Olivia? I just hate you. Come, boy, we will return back.
Okay, sir.
Where my Cesar? What I have done?
I am going with my master. Who has hurt you, lady?
My husband?
Husband?
No, no, lord. I am not her husband.
I will prove that. I will call the priest. Go and call the priest. Now the priest comes and he said that Olivia and Cesario has been married.
Oh, boy, you have deceived me. I will cut your head.
No, sir.
This is Sebastian enters.
I'm sorry, my lovely lady, but I have left you for such a long time.
Right.
How wonderful! One face, one voice, one habit, and two person. Antonio, my friend, you are here. I lost you.
Two Sebastians. You both are same. Whom should I believe?
My father's name was Sebastian. So, my brothers too.
My name is also Sebastian.
My father has a mole upon his brow.
I have also.
Sebastian, you are my only
I
brother.
love my sister.
I miss you, my brother, very much.
I miss you too. You have mistaken me, my lady.
I'm not having any problem. Accept you as my husband.
I wish you, both of you, happy married life.
Thank you.
And voila, many times you tried to express your love, but I did not understand. Give me your hand to be the mistress of your master.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Now the story ends happily when both the couple get together.